channel. It's the 5th episode of my rebuild of the HP2. Today we will exchange here the seal. I have it here. It will be my first try in my life to put something like that in. I have watched various YouTube videos about that, and on every YouTube video it's different how they mount it, because some has special tools, some other don't, and I don't have the special tool. And some have done it with a beer can that they cut it and put it on and slip in. I would try to mount it without the tool, and we will see how it will. So now I have mounted the simmering, and also before that I have cleaned here a little bit the surface because it was a little too much dirt. I will clean it a little bit more later when I also will clean the gearbox and everything else. So yeah, this was mounted. It was without the tool a little bit tricky to put it in, and finger crossed I put it right on. So this means I put it that this lip that is here on the lower face, that it's not turn it around or something. But I had a look several times. I needed to readjust it to put it in, because normally when you put it in, it's like not flat, it's yeah, it crossed, and this makes the things really tricky. But then suddenly I managed to have it on all points even, and then put it with some tops with the hammer in, and it's nice. So yeah, we will see how this was after we will run with it, and then when we see some oil, we know, okay, Christian has done something stupid. So now I will go to the front, have a look on the front about the simmering that is leaking, and then we will see. So now we will clean here this area a little bit, just to open this casing and then see what is behind, and then I will have a look if I have the simmering or not, or I think it's only an O-ring, but we will see. And I think we will need to change this one too, because it's also a little bit wet here, so I think it's spilling from here downwards, but we will see. We will have a look on both of this. So I have taken off the 4 screws and cleaned a little bit the area around it, and what I have seen is that someone has put some silicone around it, but I'm not sure if this is factory or this is not factory. This is something I'm not sure, but I don't think that this is factory, but not sure really, as I think it should be only with the O-ring. So yeah, here you have some parts inside, and I will have a look in my parts if I have it, and then I will have a look in the manual how it should be, if it needs to be with silicone or without. So as you see, I have cleaned the area. Also, you maybe have seen in the previous videos that the oil level got milky. I'm not sure why, but it's also deformed, you know, it's not flat, it's deformed. So not sure if this is from heat or something other. Please let me know in the comments what you think, because I haven't seen this in a GS or HP2 that this happens. And yeah, I'm a little bit curious about this, why this happened and why it is like it is. And then we came to the parts. So This part is new. I bought it new from BMW. Also the O-ring will be new, and the screws I also have all four new. Need also only to have a look if I need to put silicone on it or not. And also the oil level gouge I have also bought new from BMW, just to replace this ugly one with a new one. So this will be our job for now, to replace this. Should be not that problem, but who knows, sometimes it happens that it takes a little bit longer. So now we have exchanged this front cover. I put a new front cover in and a new O-ring. This is the old one. It is not so expensive really, and the silicone that was put it on was not really necessary. What I have seen in the manual, you don't need to put it on, but if it will leak, then maybe I will do the same. It can be that maybe the surface are not flat enough or something like that, so this is why someone has glued it in. This one I need to figure out how to put it out, but yeah, that's for the next time. Now I will exchange the oil level, and that's it for this part. So we have now mounted the oil gouge. So to check the oil level will be now no problem. We have exchanged it. It was really tricky to get it out, so I destroyed a little bit here the color because of that. Because where's the old one? Because yeah, I needed to put it out in pieces, because yeah, it's completely broken, and this was so stiff inside, so yeah, not a really nice job. And I'm really curious what happened with this one, because it looks really strange to me. You see, it's so white, milky, and between that is oil, and on the other side is like plastic, so not sure. Maybe it got broken and someone tried to glue it. I have no idea, but maybe you have an answer and can tell me what happened with this part of the gouge. So thank you for that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I think it's a little bit shorter than others. The next one will be for sure a little bit longer, and we will do something more about the HP2. Thank you for watching.